Now we're getting all these there. Did you hear him go suck his dick? Are you feeling this? Yeah. Oh my god. I'm gonna film some too. Wait. Yeah. Your turn? Negative.
Come on, get by the pole.
Pull it up, bro. Couple hours. Yeah. Every Honk is a crime. Every Honk.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, go, go. I need a video camera.
I got this. I'm on this.
Oh my god. Go, go. There we go.
Oh shoot.
Go, go. This is Brandon. YouTube gold. Yeah, dude. Grind it. Go, go. Make sure my shit's not dirty. Don't want dirty shit now. I should just pull up and just burn out here for the whole stoplight. Yeah!
Oh my god.
I can't do that.
Did you try grinding the tree?
What?
Were you trying to grind the tree?
No, I was just laughing.
Oh Jesus.
Go, dude. Go, grind it. Brandon. Grind it. Go, go. Brandon. Brandon. Do it. Drop it. Drop it. Pull it. Yeah! Yeah!
Oh my god.
This is my tummy hurts so bad.
My throat. Oh gosh.
I'm showing all these videos to Kaylee tonight when we go to my house. Oh my god.
I'm putting it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Put it
Brandon.
on mine, so I get more viewers.
I already have him singing to
Have it be Honk if I'm sexy.
I already have him singing to my humps in the shower.
My humps, my humps, my humps, my humps. Drop it like it's hot. Go, go. One. Panda.
Oh.
Hey, catch your hump. Go. I'm doing it anyway.
That's embarrassing. Oh my god.
Yes. Yeah.
I'm embarrassed now.
Why? Because you know.
Yeah, she used to be my best friend.
She what?
She used to be my best friend.
Oh, really? That's funny.